We're playing Golden Ticket, Willy Wonka. We're the kid in the movie going around the town to buy chocolate. Look at all these chocolate. It actually comes with a chocolate bar inside. And two of them has a golden ticket. So whoever gets the golden ticket wins the game. Now it's Benji's turn. Oh, look at the stash of chocolate Kelly got there.
You guys ready for this? Alright. So I'll play this card.
I'm gonna show you the actual chocolate. Can you get one chocolate out for me? Just show the camera the actual good quality Swiss, dark chocolate here. See, look at this Wonka on
It almost
this.
looks real.
It looks real. Back is fake, but okay.
Alright, so I play this card. This says move one space, right?
Yeah.
Move one space, take a random card from everyone on your space. But there's no one on my space. I just need to move.
Okay. Game is getting close. The whole country only have 4 chocolate bar left. This is my stash. Kelly has a big stash. Oh, Ben has the biggest stash over there.
And none of them have a go.
No. There's only 2 in the whole game.
Doesn't matter.
Only 2 people can go. Who's gonna go?
Yeah, there's one here and then there's one.
One here. And we're gonna go Willy Wonka.
That's fine.
Okay.
If we're gonna measure it that way. But I have the most chocolate.
More chocolate.
Just so everybody knows.
This
Invisible gumdrop. Does
Oh,
anyone have one?
invisible.
No.
Yeah, I do. Oh, I do.
Okay.
One Wonka bar.
You guys are jerks.
Whoa.
See, this is unfair.
Teamwork here.
He's here too, so I get another one, right?
Oh yeah, he's here.
Yeah.
Game almost ending.
Oh my
The
god.
chocolate flew out.
Yeah. That's fine.
Okay.
And then.
Hopefully no golden
I can
ticket.
still move, right?
No, you have to pay one act card.
Yeah. Can I pay one?
Oh yeah,
card?
yeah.
So I'll pay one card and I'll move and then I'll buy 2 more.
Then you don't get the Wonka chocolate though, if you move out of his space.
Oh.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. No, but I was trying
Ben
to
got the
combo.
last chocolate. Okay, now it's the fun
This is the
part.
ticket right here.
Now we're gonna open up our chocolate. How many chocolate do you guys have? I have 14. I think. 5. Yeah, 14 chocolate. How many do you have, Kelly?
I have 15.
Oh, same.
15.
Oh, we're pretty even. Open chocolate.
Oh,
Open chocolate.
true.
So you have a chocolate on the floor.
Oh, I picked it up.
Oh, blank. Dud.
It's like opening lotto tickets.
Oh, dud.
Is it
So
stuck on the chocolate? Or
Yeah,
is
it's stuck on the chocolate.
Oh, so it's like a sticker on the chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the best part. No, nothing.
Dude, this is.
No,
What the hell?
nothing. No, what's this thing? Nothing. Yeah, I'm full from the eating the chocolate. Go in the trash.
Come on.
Come on.
Imagine-
Ah!
Oh,
Golden ticket!
You got one?
Oh, I got one! Golden
Damn it.
ticket!
Okay.
I'm going to Willy Wonka's factory. Ooh, Charlie win!
Alright, come on. Heart of the cards.
Oh,
right
maybe I
here.
have 2. Maybe I have 2 tickets.
Heart of the cards.
Oh. Who got the second ticket? Oh, sorry guys.
Got it.
Oh!
Cheater.
Ticket! But it says I can give a ticket to a person. You wanna go with me?
Oh, yeah.
See? This is why. This is
Bye,
why.
man!
This is why I never play board games with Jason.
They actually say you can share with your friend if you have 2 tickets.
Yeah, I know that. But first you guys team up on me, and then
Oh man! That's so awesome.
Yeah,
Wonka
that's cool.
ticket.
that was fun.
Oh, it's really thematic.
Yeah,
It's really fun.
I like that.
I like it's quick and fun.